Okay, y'all. So, I'm still trying to figure out how to do all this. I've messed up my math a couple of times, just questioning myself. And I had to break the video up into a couple of pieces. So, we're still trying to figure out how to do this. I actually logged off of my laptop while trying to figure out how to download everything. So let me log back in real quick. We need to have the homework pulled up so I know what kind of problems it's showing you so that I can answer them and help. Good thing is, I know exactly what I'm doing now. So from this point forward, it'll be really easy for me to come and record stuff. The only downside is there's time limits, and so probably gonna go really, really fast just because you have the ability to like pause and rewind. And there may be more videos than I would like because I have to go so fast. Okay. We had pretty much gotten through the first half of those problems. I'm opening my math lab right now. And I am opening up RW, which is the fraction rational expression homework. And I'm going to problem 11. Okay, factor the difference of two squares. That's difference of squares. We know this, we've gone over it. We have 9x squared and a negative 64. Difference of squares says that if you have a squared and b squared, you can use this nifty little template right here. You actually take the square root of your first term and it'll be placed at the beginning of both of your parentheses. Then you take the square root of your second term and it's placed at the back of both of your parentheses. I hope you can see the screen. If you agree with me, 9 is a perfect square, x squared is a perfect square, and 64 is a perfect square. And then the formula says that we need to have a negative sign, which we have right here. Go ahead and make one positive, one negative. Does not matter which one. And then I'm going to show you that this 9 and the x squared goes here. 3 times 3 makes 9. X times x makes x squared, right? And then the 64 is going to go into the next two spots. Next time I also need to make sure I have more things to write with. We have an 8 here and an 8 here because 8 times 8 is 64. Signs are different, so it's negative. Y'all, that's your answer right there. Okay, move on to problem number 12. It's loading. Okay, so right here it says to do a sum of two cubes. So let's go ahead and write what the formula is for a sum of two cubes. If you have something cubed and you are adding to it something else cubed, what you do is a plus b, because you keep the same, and then a squared opposite ab, always positive, b squared. This is where SOAP comes from. S is the same opposite of the sign we have, and then always positive. So the problem that we have is y cubed plus 3. So I actually want to know, just writing it slightly different. If my y cubed is a cubed, then my a is y. And if my b cubed is 1, then my b is also 1. So my y equals a and my 1 equals b. So now what I can do is use these facts and plug it into this formula. So what I get is y plus 1, and I get my a squared, which is y, so y squared minus a times b would be y times 1, which is just y. B squared, this is my b. So I get 1 squared, which is just 1. That is your answer. Okay, let's do the 13th problem in the next video.